Hey YouTube, today we're going to be making a latte using this Ninja Dual Brew Pro coffee maker. You saw me do a video on the unboxing and the first use of this, and I'll link the video right here. Today we're going to use this to make our latte. We're going to use these pods. This is just some regular Gevalia coffee pods, but you could also do this using ground coffee and a filter. But today I'm going to use a pod, so let's get to it. Let's go ahead and make a latte. First thing, I make sure my water jug has water in it. This thing isn't quite full, but it's almost full, so I'm not going to mess with it. Then we're going to take this pod, pop it in the top, close it down. This is the cup I'm going to use to make the latte in. So I'm going to flip that down, put it under here, turn it on, and set the brew style to specialty. Specialty gives you 4 ounces, which will be about there. And then we're gonna steam some milk or froth some milk on top of that. Now we're just gonna let it brew that 4 ounces of espresso. It's brewed 4 ounces of espresso. Now we're gonna have to warm some milk up so we could froth it using the frother on the side. I'm just gonna warm up about 8 ounces of milk in the microwave and then come froth it on the side here. With the milk heated up, I can move on to frothing it. And you just use this little frother on the side, and for the most part beats the warm milk up and introduces air into it to add the froth on the top. And you might just want to move it around a little bit. I'm using this glass cup so you could actually see the froth forming. Now you can see a good head of foam on that milk. I like my latte sweet, so I'm going to add a couple teaspoons of sugar to this. Maybe one more. Then I'm gonna add the frothed milk to the top. And our latte only has a thin layer of foam on it, a thin layer of foam. So about the same amount of espresso that was in there before, and just spoon a very thin layer of foam over it. If you wish, you could add some whipped cream to the top of this, or you could sprinkle a little bit of cocoa powder or something. And here we go, a nice hot latte. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one. God bless.